thanks for checking this out, Lost Mines. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Let's go and look for a mine.
They look like oysters.
Yeah. Oh, there's a bridge. Oh, look at the bridge. Oh my God, look at the bridge. Whoa.
Hey, do you know what this reminds me of?
Oh my
Through
God.
trip in Mao.
Yeah. Oh my God, it's like Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom. Look at that bridge.
Let's have a look down now. Let's get above it. Let's hover.
Whoa.
There's this depth lock on.
Yeah.
It goes down.
It goes down again. So that's going down to the 20 fathom level.
We won't get through that.
No, we'll have to try and get down further along, yeah. Look at that bridge. Oh my God.
So I've got depth lock on now. This is pretty cool.
All right.
I'll send it up a little bit.
So you can go forwards and backwards, but you can't go up and down.
That's correct.
Okay.
So I'll put it on now. Now we're above.
Oh, it's a wheelbarrow. It's a wheelbarrow. It's a wheelbarrow. It's a wheelbarrow. Oh, it's a wheelbarrow.
There's more than one there.
Gee. Christ on a bike.
Excitement.
Oh.
Let's get up a bit off.
Okay, and I need to get a still out of this. So if you could hover like really still above them. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that.
Miner's porn.
Oh my God, look at that. Whoa.
I'll just take a photograph.
Yeah, that's it. Take a still, because that's going straight in the book. Oh my God.
Photo done.
Whoa.
Start recording again.
Yeah.
That's a beautiful wheel.
That is spectacular, and it's painted red. If we get over the top and look at it from the other side.
There's more stuff over there.
There is. What's that big? There's a blue.
So that you don't stir the silk up.
Yeah, that's an idea, yeah.
What's that?
What's that blue thing? Oh, there's the end of the level again, look.
Oh, it goes down.
Ooh, yeah. What's the blue thing, real quick?
Well, turn round. Let's
Okay.
turn round. Turn round in the end. Anything in there?
Blind wins.
Does that go underneath?
It does, but it's got boards over it, doesn't it? I think.
Is that a level underneath?
I don't think it is. I think it's just a winds that's been backfilled or filled.
Oh.
Oh, it goes. Hey, you know what? That could well be the other winds down there, you know. That could well be the other winds. Well, we'll find out in a bit, won't we?
I think it is.
It could be the other winds.
Turn round.
Yeah, I want to look at that wheelbarrow again. Oh, yeah, look at that.
What's that blue thing?
The blue thing.
It was that. It was that rock.
Can you go up close to it? It could be copper. Hmm, maybe not. Must have just been a trick of the light. Oh, wow, look at that. Oh, there we go. Can you take a photo of that as well?
Yeah.
Oh, ignore it. It's fine. Carry on. I can take a shot. If you send me the video footage, I can take a screenshot of it. That's fine.
So that was that.
Okay.
Let's have a look in the scope itself.
Yeah.
That's the ceiling. This is amazing.
This is amazing.
I know.
Oh, what's that floating in the water?
What's the roof?
Oh, it's the roof. Yeah, the water isn't quite to the roof of the stope. Oh, well.
This, the skipway was very good, wasn't it? Do you remember?
There's a wooden floor.
It is as well. Look.
So we could be standing at some...
Heard the ROV over there in the distance.
No way.
Yeah,
Did you actually?
I did. I think I heard it break the surface of the water.
Oh, wow. This is spectacular.
Something else. So let's double check we haven't missed anything.
Yeah, definitely.
So the skipway was pretty cool, all them tools and stuff, but this has got to be the best one. I think.
Yeah.
So I don't know where I am.
Oh, there's that crazy bridge.
Lost my bearings.
There's the wheelbarrow and the bridge is back behind us. Oh, it's a ladder. Look, there's the remains of a ladder. Okay, there's a bridge. Can you stay still there? Yeah, that's it. So I can take a screenshot of that as well. So unfortunately, the only way down further is that little slot, which is too small.
Should we try the other stuff?
Yes, we'll try the other winds just to make sure.
You don't know. You never know.
You never
Never
know.
say never. Look.
Oh, there it is.
That's a cool picture, actually.
Wow.
I thought we were having problems. It's wrapped around that wood.
I see,
So
I see.
if we go around above these timbers, we might be able to go back.
Oh, that's true, yeah.
There's us.
There's us.
There's the ladder.
Oh, you can see the top of the winds. There. Oh, that's cool. Stop there a minute. With the ladder. That's cool. That's a cool picture. Imagine if you're a miner, you're climbing down here and you just break through that into that massive stope.
So the FIFISH V6 EXPERT, I highly recommend get it. If you
Absolutely.
like just exploring lakes, the sea, or do what we're doing, get one of these. They're well worth the money.
Absolutely
The
amazing.
link is in the description where you can purchase them from. There's something else, and big thank you to FIFISH as well.
Yeah, definitely. Ah, there's the, that's an end, is it?
Right, we have to go down the other one, I think.
Yeah.
That's just a dead end there.
Okay. So we've explored that stope from one end to the other now. It's, yeah, it's the other one that yeah. This is
That'd be a
amazing.
cool one to dive.
It would
I
rather.
know a guy would do it as well.
Oh.
It's not dangerous, is it, this one?
No, not at all. There's no rotten timbers hanging in there or
Nothing.
anything.
Mhm.
It's clean. Oh, like the ladder. I love that ladder. When you pan down it slowly, like we can look.
Move to the side. Yeah, second down. Move to the side. Down.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's good. That's good. Look at that.
Hell of a ladder, isn't it?
That is quite something. And the way that it ends, like 3 feet above the floor, that level, you go along the level and there's a wheelbarrow right there.
There she is.
Here she comes. Blinding lights.
Well, we've just explored that one, which is really amazing. And so cool, wasn't it, Johan?
It was absolutely amazing. And what's so interesting was, remember I was showing the plan earlier? That first level down, the 10 fathom level, we didn't even get there. There's another level, which is the one we've just been in, that's about 5 fathoms below where we are, that I had no idea even existed, and that's what we've just explored. So we're going to be adding to this plan. The winds on down to the 10 fathom level was boarded over, so we didn't get there. So we're going to try this one now. There's another one up here. So what we accessed was a part of the mine I had no idea even existed.
And here's the other one, look.
Here's the other one.
We think we may have got into it.
Yeah, we might have been looking at it from the bottom.
There it is, folks. Let's see what's down there.
Let's do it. Do you want me to do it, or are you okay?
I got it. The wire's caught somewhere.
Oh yeah. There we go.
Right, it's in.
Lock it. Right. Which way are we looking now? Under us.
No idea.
Can you look up to see, get our bearings? Right.
There we are.
So we're going
Oh, okay, that way. Right. Okay.
west, is it?
Yeah, east that way.
East. Don't get lost in the desert with me on the compass.
Right, we're rolling on this as well. Okay. Do you want me to do it, or are you okay?
I got it. The wire's caught somewhere.
Oh yeah. Here's the rock.
Which rock? No.
There we go.
Right, it's in.
Splosh.
Lock it.
Right. Which way are we looking now? Under us?
No idea.
Can you look up to see, get our bearings?
Right,
There we
okay.
are.
So we're going
Oh, okay, that way. Right, okay.
west, is it?
Yeah, east that way.
East. We'll get lost in the desert with me with the compass. Right, we're caught. Feed the cable.
Do you want me to feed the cake?
Better had, I think. Yeah.
Here we go.
Right, we're going down.
It's a shark.
Ooh, yes. Look at that.
Well, look at the upper bits first.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like some sort of level.
Oh, it's a wheelbarrow again. Or is it a different one? It's a different one. I think that's a different one. There was a bunch of stuff next to the other one.
That was the same one.
Is it?
It is as well.
So they do connect.
So they do connect.
Now let's turn around.
Yeah. What's
It's a timber.
it's timber?
We'll go over that. It's a level up here.
I don't think it is.
Tracks.
I think it's just timbers.
Nothing.
Nothing. We couldn't. We definitely couldn't get down that way, that shaft, could we?
Try that now.
Yeah. Let's give
Let's
it.
give that shaft a go.
Yeah.
It was straight down here, wasn't it?
That's right. Down this side of the wheelbarrow. Yeah.
Let's go straight to the bottom of it. And see
Yeah.
what's,
Yeah. Let's have a look at what's going on.
it's actually easy. Ooh.
Yeah, it's like a wedge, isn't it?
It's a blocked level.
Yeah, it looks like one. Must be nearly at the 10 fathom by now.
We are 10, nearly 11 metres.
Oh, not quite then. I think it's been boarded off
Right.
or a collapse.
Well, there's nothing down this one.
No.
Just back to where we were before.
On our way back up, can we make sure that anything, because all of this is quite unstable, if anything does fall down this, it won't hit the wheelbarrow. I don't think it will. It's out the way, isn't it? But let's just check on the way back up.
What if we dig out the other bit? you know?
Exactly.
We can
Anything
chuck
that
it down.
anything that goes down there. Let's.
We're not stood on a false floor. That's a good.
No, that's true. So let's spin round and see where that wheelbarrow is now.
It's over the ledge over there. So if we dig out up there,
Yeah.
it'll go straight down.
Good, brilliant. There's nothing there that it's going to block.
No. For some reason we're spinning around in circles.
Awesome.
Where are we?
Back up that way and behind it.
I'll shine the light down. Can you get your bearings to the light?
I think it's back
What's up here?
back the other way. Oh, is that the surface?
Is that another level?
I think it's just the surface.
Oh look.
It's the reflection.
Oh, it is, isn't
Yeah.
it? Bugger. I'm excited then. There's the spring.
Ah, there we are.
Oh, there's the cable.
Ah, here it is. I can see the light.
There he is.
There it is.
Ooh, look at that cool false floor. As it comes out.
That's over there.
Ah,
Away from
yeah,
that.
I see. Yeah.
Well, there you go, folks.
Wow. So now we're going to
How
do...
about that?
That's pretty awesome. That is pretty awesome.
Now we're going to go to...
Well, we're going to have a little dig first while we're here. And then we're going
try
to...
that.
Yep, I'm going to. And then
Yeah.
we're going to try another ROV later on.
Yeah, we're going to ROV where this all started. Back when you were about 9 years old.
Back at my place, we've got a
Yes.
little mine right behind my house that I dug out when I was in school. And we're going to give that one a shot next.
So hoping like we've seen here. And on to the next.
On to the next one.
FIFISH V6 EXPERT adopts the award-winning streamlined design of the V6 series with a newly refined build, minimizing water resistance and turbulence with an upgraded outer shell that fully protects its internal motors. With a maximum diving depth of 100 meters, it delivers a secure solution to explore and operate at a greater range. Lock your depth with one click and hover across the oceans with precision and smoothness. Our patented Q-motor system is fully sealed from corrosion and sand damage with double the power. The new QSteady 2.0 stabilization algorithm produces an exceptional piloting experience and outstanding imagery for your missions. With a top speed of 3 knots and an efficient power usage system, it delivers efficient speeds and enhanced lengths for your diving missions. Utilizing its patented 6-propeller design and system, it allows the FIFISH V6 EXPERT to move with complete freedom underwater. Lock the ROV's posture at any 360-degree angle as you move across the waters and carry out aquatic missions with increased flexibility and autonomy. Our VR head tracking leverages unique sensory controls, delivering an immersive experience in first-person view of the ROV. Accurate, user-friendly, and truly a breakthrough for underwater explorations. FIFISH V6 EXPERT comes equipped with a 4K ultra-high-definition camera lens, as well as an expansive 166-degree field of view, capturing your underwater moments with cinematic clarity. Applying intelligent algorithms and 4K low-noise shooting helps to bring out the details and vibrancies of the complex environments below. Along with a pair of beaming 6,000 lumen LED lights, operate without worries in dim and turbid subaquatic conditions, experience brilliant, vivid, and vibrant surroundings even in the darkest spaces. FIFISH V6 EXPERT.